Hello students, in previous lecture we have learned about the properties and problems associated with plane mirror. Today we are going to learn about spherical mirrors. So spherical mirrors दो टाइप के होते हैं, कॉनकेव मिरर एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. कॉनकेव मिरर किस टाइप के होते हैं? A spherical mirror in which reflecting surface is towards the center. सेंटर की तरफ है, रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस जो आपकी जहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्शन होगा इट इज टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर. दैट टाइप ऑफ मिरर इज नोन एज कॉनकेव मिरर. एंड mirror in which a spherical mirror in which reflecting surface is away from the center. सेंटर की तरफ नहीं, उसकी उस साइड है ना. So this type of mirror is known as convex mirror. So concave and convex mirror है क्या? It is a part of spherical mirror. का मतलब क्या है? ये पूरा हमने एक छोटा सा उसका पार्ट लिया. We have just taken its a part. उसका पूरा ऐसा बनेगा. This is concave and convex both are part of a spherical mirror. उसमें किस टाइप का है? अगर आपकी जो कोटिंग है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर है, दिस इज सेंटर. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मिरर इज नोन एज कॉनकेव एंड इन दिस it's this center reflecting surface is away from the center. That type of mirror is known as convex mirror. Now there are some standard terms. We're going to discuss those terms. I'm just making one. This one is we have to take some standard terms used in spherical mirror. First term is center of curvature. As I told you कि जो भी हम एक spherical mirror ले रहे हैं it is a part of a sphere. So जो उस sphere का part है उसका जो center है that thing is known as center of curvature. So first is center of curvature. It is center of a sphere in which it is a part of that sphere. Now second one is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, distance between this center to mirror is known as radius of curvature. Now next, pole. We are just considering this only this part. So pole is like just it is at that point where if we are saying about concave mirror तो जहाँ पे depression सबसे ज़्यादा depression is maximum, और if we are saying about convex mirror so where bulging is maximum. तो एक ऐसा point जहाँ पे depression और here we can say bulging, it is outward ना, is maximum. This point is known as pole. Then principal axis. A line joining center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. तो ये जो पूरी लाइन होगी this type is known as principal axis. Next term, aperture. Aperture is diameter of mirror. This, if I am saying the uppermost part of mirror is A and this is B. So aperture is diameter of mirror which is AB, and we can say principal axis is CP, this one CP. It's a complete ray. Radius of curvature I told you R, pole is P, and center of curvature C. Now after that there is one more term, principal focus. When light ray is coming parallel to principal axis, जब light ray, this is your principal axis, center of curvature, pole. When light ray coming parallel to principal axis, then they pass through one point. This point is known as principal focus, which is just here F. When a light ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through a single point. This point is known as principal focus. Next, I am just writing here, focal plane. A plane which passes through focus and perpendicular to principal axis. It means इस टाइप का होगा आपका प्लेन, जो फोकस से पास करेगा एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. A plane passing through principal axis and perpendicular to passing through focus, principal focus, not axis, principal focus and perpendicular to principal axis. This is known as focal plane. Now, so after that, principal axis, principal focus, focal plane, there is other term, principal section. It is a section, a plane which is passing through center of curvature and pole. इसका मतलब एक ऐसा प्लेन जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड पोल से पास करता हो. तो ये दो सेक्शन हो जाएंगे. सो उसी को हमने बोला है प्रिंसिपल सेक्शन. So here are terms. First, center of curvature. Center of curvature is a center of a sphere about which it is a part of that sphere. Second is radius of curvature. It is distance from center of curvature to the bulging point. As we discussed later, pole. Pole is a point where at which maximum depression or bulging is there. Depression will be in concave mirror and bulging will be in convex mirror. Then principal axis. It is a line joining center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. Then after that, aperture. Aperture is diameter. Now make sure, अब आप confuse मत हो जाना कि diameter का मतलब twice of radius of curvature है. नहीं, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज डिफरेंट थिंग एंड एपर्चर मीन्स जो आपको जो एक छोटा सा पार्ट दिया है तो उसकी अपर से लोअर डायमेंशन के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है दैट थिंग इज नोन एज एपर्चर। तो एपर्चर को बिल्कुल यहाँ पे ऐसे मैंने बोला भी था इट इज डायमीटर ऑफ मिरर। सो डायमीटर को इस चीज से कंफ्यूज मत कर देना रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर। कर्वेचर इज डिफरेंट थिंग एंड एपर्चर इज डिफरेंट थिंग। एपर्चर इज जस्ट अ डायमेंशन ऑफ मिरर की मिरर की साइज कितना है एंड रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मिरर स्फेरिकल मिरर। प्रिंसिपल फोकस when light ray coming parallel to principal axis after reflection they pass through a fixed point, this point is known as focus. And focal plane, a plane which passes through principal focus and perpendicular to principal axis. ये आपका focus है तो अगर आपने भी बोला है that this is your principal axis, so a plane which passes through focus and perpendicular to principal axis, this is your principal axis, okay. And after that principal section, it is a section by plane mirror if a plane passing through center of curvature and pole, तो उसको जो हमने बोला है which is known as principal section.